The first part of your day as a sales and leasing consultant is arriving. Start with the coffee. Then it's time to get busy. A big part of what I do is being proactive. I don't sit around waiting for customers to walk in to buy a car from me. I'm reaching out to them on the phone. I might send them a text message, maybe even an email, so that way, even if they're not in the market, I might be able to give them some information, some news, something that's going on in the market to get them into the market. And then that way, my paycheck isn't determined by what's going on in the economy. My paycheck is determined by the work I put in and what I do in here. So let's see, let me reach out to them. Hey, Ms. Robinson. Hey there. It's Lalo. Over here at Jim Weston Lexus. How are you? Awesome. I'm doing good too. Absolutely. The girls are doing good. Making daddy real proud. How about yours? How your little one? All right. Awesome. Wow. That's so cool. Can't believe how fast they're growing. Oh my gosh. Yeah, everything's going good, business going great, sales going good. Super proud, just, won my second State's Best Automotive Salesperson in a row. So, very grateful to all my awesome customers just like you and whatnot. I appreciate you all so much for, trusting in me to do an awesome transaction for you and, being a part of my success. I really mean that too. For sure. Yeah, I just wanted to reach out, touch base with you. If you ever need anything, you already know. Reach out to me, let me know. No matter what it is, and I got you. All right, for sure. All right. Oh yeah, definitely. I appreciate it. If you know somebody, definitely. Send them my way. Give them my direct sale. That's the best way. All right, cool. Well, take care. Send my love to all the family. All right, bye. Hey, how's it going, sir? All right, fantastic, man. You're saying you're kind of looking for an SUV,
Yes.
A little bit larger than midsize?
Yes.
All right, GX460, you say one less than the LX, right?
Yes.
All right, perfect, man. I think I got the awesome one for you. All right, perfect. So I got the key to one of my certified pre-owned ones, and then I got one of the brand new ones as well. If you want to follow me right this way, we'll go take a look at my 2020 first. The second row has the heated seats as well. This one does actually have the captain chairs like that one does also. One of the features that's different is that this one wouldn't have like the adjustable variable suspension. However, the suspension on the vehicle is really awesome. right, so part of my day definitely includes the service side as well. So I'm in sales, but you know, when you want to be a really, really good sales professional, you definitely want to look out for your customers, not just on that side, but after the sale too. So, you know, we talk about before the sale, during the sale, and after the sale, really being a big proponent for your customers, you know what I'm saying, turning your guests into customers, and then turning your customers into friends, your friends into more like family. You know, I've had people over at my house, I've had people introduce me places and whatnot, and I tell you what, when you really take care of people, you really don't have to worry about anything in life. You know, they're gonna send you people, they're gonna always make sure they come back to you and not deal with anybody else. So again, it's my service drive. You know, sometimes I'll go ahead, if my customers come in, they want to get their car washed. If it's a line or something like that, I'll run it back, wash it myself, vacuum it out for them. I do the whole nine. So, you know, no matter what type of industry that you go in, if it's going to be sales, you know, take those things into account because, you know, it really, really makes a difference. All right. And sometimes you're actually able to stop and get some lunch. All right, cool. So yeah, so welcome back. I got your car right out here. I'm really excited it's coming short to you. You got the one key. Here's the second key right here. Here's the second one. Got you a spare key. So these ones are for the glove compartment. All right. Yeah, for the glove box. All right, come on, follow me this way.
Wow.
You already know, bro. We gotta do it right. So right over here to the right.
That's what we do, man.
That's how we do. That's how she do. That's how she do.
Now for the car. Now.
I love. All right, and this is where it all ends. Back where a lot of it kind of starts, you know. Obviously, selling cars, you want to make them look right. So, you know, this kind of where, you know, we have a drive-through car wash right there, right over this way. You know, these are all the bays and whatnot. So, you know, we definitely do a lot of hand washes and whatnot on specific vehicles. But yeah, you know, end of the night, you know, definitely dark out here now. You know, ready to get home to the family and whatnot. That's definitely the best part of my day. So, you know, it's a day in the life.